Okay, so right now we're shooting this handheld video on the Fujifilm XT4 with the XF 16-80mm lens. Right now we've got zero image stabilization. All image stabilization, including IBIS and the optical image stabilization in the lens, are all turned off. So once again, that's the Fujifilm XT4 with zero image stabilization. We're going to do the exact same walk and talk test here using the other IBIS settings in camera. That's zero image stabilization right now. Okay, so right now we just switched on the IBIS plus OIS here on the Fujifilm XT4. We are using the XF 16-80mm f4 lens at its widest point right now, which is at 16mm. This is the exact same route with the walk and talk test on the XT4 with IBIS plus OIS enabled. Okay, so right now we just switched on the IBIS plus OIS plus DIS image stabilization settings here on the Fujifilm XT4. We're once again at 16mm on the XF 16-80mm f4 lens. Now one notch above this, which will be the absolute maximum, we're going to max out the image stabilization. We are going to add on the boost mode here on the Fujifilm XT4 on the next step. Okay, once again on the XT4 here with the 16-80mm f4 lens, we got maximum video stabilization right now. We've got IBIS plus OIS plus DIS plus the optional boost mode, which is currently enabled. So this is maximum image stabilization here on the Fujifilm XT4 and the XF 16-80mm lens. We're currently at 16mm right now. So that is maximum image stabilization shooting here on the Fujifilm XT4. Once again, IBIS plus OIS plus DIS plus the optional boost mode, which is turned on. This should be our maximum image stabilization here on the Fujifilm XT4 with the XF 16-80mm lens at 16mm.